Okay, we have the sun out. Gonna go through it, like I said. It definitely pops out here. Now it is cloudy, so another good view. So you're going to see in the sun on a cloudy day, and then in our showroom bay there with the ultra bright lights in just a little bit. All right, we're going on a quick test drive here. Super easy to shift. Alignment feels good here. Steering wheel's nice and straight. Really no complaints of drivability, very nice. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So this car has 2 Carfax reports on it. One was the roof, it was dead center, so it says something about the roof being damaged, and then one was on this door. This entire car has also been repainted at some point in its life, so all the panels, everything has been repainted. And so you're gonna see flaws in the paint, little dimples and things like that. Now from here and walking around the car, seeing this thing drive down the road, it looks amazing. It's a driver's car. This is not a museum piece by any means. It's one that's nice enough to get in and cruise around, take to Cars and Coffee, have fun in it. Still looks beautiful, but up close and personal, you're gonna see those little defects. Here on the front right wheel, overall in great condition. Looking at that tire, date code. Find the date code here. Looking at the date code is 2017, 27540 17s. Overall looks good. Here on the fender, like I said, you're going to see little dimples in the paint. You're going to see swirls. You're going to feel texture in it. So it doesn't have a super smooth finish to it. Little scuffs and scratches. That looks good. Here you're going to see a lot of orange peel and dimples and kind of trash in the paint on that lower side. So you can see that. And that lower rocker really stands out. The door looks really good. Definitely a lot of texture there. Little scuffs and scratches and chips. Got some chips here that have been touched up. Quarter panel. You have a deep gash right here that's been touched up. The rest of that looks good. And when we look here, you're going to see the dimples kind of all throughout the paint, the little swirls and things like that. Date code 2017. Overall though, the wheel looks good. Headlights do have a slight yellow hue to them. And then you have moisture building up in them. Car just got out of detail, so you're gonna have some moisture in here. I imagine it might kind of go away over time. Then once you get water back on it, it might pop up. So you have these swirls and little imperfections. Like I said, there's texture in the paint. Get up here, you do have cracks in the clear. It's a pretty large one here. It's mainly in that area. I don't see any in this section. Looking at the front bumper, typical swirls and little chips. You're gonna see the flaws, like I said, from the respray. A lot of orange peel and texture. But from a couple feet away though, see how pretty that looks. Keep in mind, we are in a surgery room. The lighting in here is incredible, and it really enhances flaws in here that you might not see outside. Typical flaws in here, some moisture buildup. Looks good. Dayco 2017, overall the wheel looks good. Little scuffs and scratches. Lots of texture in here, once again. Down that lower rocker. Looking at the door, a couple chips. Little flaws. Yes, scratches, more chips. Have a lot of wave in there. If you can see that. See the warpiness in this section. And I know I'm picking it apart, but we always want people to know the full condition of a car. Like I said, I think this is a driver's car. It's one that you enjoy, put miles on it, have fun from a couple feet away, or just out cruising around. She's a beauty. You're gonna see a lot of texture and orange peel. You can feel all the bumps in the paint here on the deck lid area and up there. Got a little faded spot here, scuffs and scratches. Taillight looks good. The silver looks amazing right there. Of course, you get up close, you're gonna see the little flaws. You have gashes right here. But no big body damage or anything like that. Like I said, it's been repainted. It wasn't the best job, but I say it looks pretty good from here. All right, checking out the interior. Beautiful color combo here. Looks incredible. These cars are just super, super cool. Little fading on the plastic pieces here. Upper side looks nice. Carpet's in good condition. Typical flaws there. Like I said, you can see the repaint in here with all that texture. That looks good though. Look at that bolster. Looks incredible. Very soft. Very little wear. A couple little scuffs and scratches, but for the most part in great condition. The steering wheel looks good. Very, very cool. Couple scratches there. Vents look good, buttons nice and clean. See, this is kind of popping out just a little bit. Looks good. That looks nice. This is all in good condition. A few flaws there, but for the most part looks good. This is all nice. Got your owner's manual. can see on this piece right here that is cracked and has been glued back. All of that looks good. Got tons of orange peel in here and overspray. A lot of dimples and trash in the paint. So it's very heavy right there. Looking at the seat though, the leather's nice and soft. That's in great condition. A little bit of wear. But for the most part, that looks good. This side of the console looks nice. Carpets look good. Little scuffs and scratches on the dash. See some stuff up here, but for the most part that looks really good. Here on the door panel, got some fading, got chips and little things like that. The rest of that looks pretty good. All right, we're going to scan through the engine bay here. That looks beautiful. It's in great condition. Very nice. Then you have a battery tender set up in here. Just kind of scanning through what I can. Looks really good though.